Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, comrades, and connections, social media friends. This is James Shastri speaking. This is an update from Frederick Raman Shifting for Freedom. It has come one day earlier. Normally, it used to be released on Friday, but it came on Thursday itself. This newsletter is about Stephen Sabish communication to us. He is the chairman of the board of the Frederick FN for Freedom. Dear Mr. Muchi Shastri Kapita, our country continues to face major challenges. The federal government has just lowered its growth forecast for 2026 to half a percent. As a result, Germany's economy has stagnated for the sixth year running. The federal government not only fails to agree on fundamental reforms to revitalize the economy, but is now once again debating the suspension of the debt brake. Yesterday, the cabinet decided to take on 197 billion euros in new debt for 2027 no alone. This is a grim record for the nation debt, which will be very costly for the future generations. The public reaction has been devastating. Many economists and increasingly more media observers are rightly accusing the federal government of capitulating to the country's problems. The government is not just squandering our country's future, it is devouring it. At the same time, the international situation continues to be deteriorating. Russia's war against Ukraine continues unabated. The US appears to have eased its pressure on Russia. Simultaneously, the war on the Middle East is good news for Russia. Putin. Rising oil prices are funneling billions into the Russian treasury, while the United States is rapidly becoming bewildered and varying in its conflict with Iran. For the people of Iran who have suffered for decades under a murderous regime, this also has worsened their prospects for freedom. In the challenging times, Frederick Raman Foundation for Freedom invites you to Freedom Congress in Berlin next Tuesday, May 5th, 2026 at 4:30 p.m. We want to send a message of optimism and demonstrate that solutions to the problems of our time exist beyond Germany's debt spirals and lamentations about the international situation, real alternatives for justice and for freedom instead of population and radicalization. Into panels, we will discuss the liberal solutions, what will make our country strong again in a rapidly changing world. How do we visualize stabilize the international order? What is our commitment to justice, freedom, and human rights worldwide? In a second half panel, we will address the challenging facing Germany's what will make our country proof again, future proof again. What gives us courage and confidence in economically difficult and socially polarizing times. We want to promote freedom and demonstrate that a conceptual politics of the and freedom is possible. If you have some time and would like to experience a dose of optimism and the joy of liberal politics, please come along. We look forward to seeing you. Signature of Stephen Savage, chairman of the Best Regards. Signature of Stephen Savage, chairman of the board of Frederick Norman Foundation for Freedom. Highlights: Sabine Lufthansa Sternberger delivers the Magdeburg speech on freedom. In her first Magdeburg speech on freedom, Sabine Lufthansa Sternberger warned of changes to freedom and democracy and advocated for modern material liberalism. media. Despite the unity of remembrance established decades ago, independent journalism must fight for survival more than ever. Sunday in World Press Freedom Day, the United Nations General Assembly established this day to remind governments of their duty to respect media freedom. Free trade under pressure. Europe and India as partners for growth. What opportunities does the EU India Free Trade Agreement offer? The Nuremberg Trade Conference in 2026 examines the future of free trade and the growing importance of India for Europe. Its freedoms to bid. Upcoming upcoming events. Russia's role in the US-Israel war, Iran war, and its impact on the EU. Cuban crisis. Its freedoms to bid. Arno Symposium 2026. Roadshow Comprehensive Defense. Now resident is the capital city. German security policy in a world out of giant. Discussion with Dr. Mary Agnes Strack-Zimmerman, MEP. Elberg EU incorporated practice check. Recognition of foreign professional qualifications. Achievements and obstacles in the Argentine economy. This is the essence of the newsletter sent to me. Thank you so much.